it's me, Ellie, and me here. So it's 3 of us. And hello, Ellie. Alright, anyways, about that, we got a secret to show you guys in this Dogman, the Scarlet Share book made by Dave Pilkey. Before that, we would like you to like and subscribe this video. We would really appreciate it and help us get to 30 subscribers in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, now let's just get the video started. So here we got the book, right? There is a secret. And I'm gonna flip to the pages and soon you guys will see the secret somewhere in this book. What is actually really here. So now I'm just gonna flip the pages. I'll just keep flipping until, well guys, you can guess, if you guys can guess where is the secret ending, then you will be right. Do you see how I'm flipping, guys? And like, if you guys see, you see how I'm, well, I mean, like, you see how I'm flipping, guys? Well, yeah, right. And you see how I'm continuously flipping and flipping and flipping? Well, if you guys guessed that the secret is at the end of the book, well, guess what? Because you don't see any secrets so far in this book, you are absolutely right. Ellie will show you the secret there, where the secret is in at the end of the book. And I don't know why the secret was in there, but you guys, it's something that I just saw like a realize a while ago, and I want to show you guys it. So that's why I'm making a video. So yeah, looks like we're almost here, guys. And sorry if I'm just taking a bit long, because you guys might see the secret right here. You might not. All right, now we're at least to the end. The end of it. This is not the secret, guys. Not really at the end, but something at the end. It's just about the offer elsewhere, just the information, info, notes and fun facts. And here it is. This is the end page. So, you see how ADHD, Dogman, which is red, little PD, and Molly is walking together. Well, Ellie will show you the secret soon, and now she will show you why there is a pond. So she will flip the page, and now get on. Now I will show you guys. You see how there's no pond here, just a grass. Well, if you guys think such a coincidence, well, yeah, then there might be a pond here, but I don't think so, because like it's just a grass, like mostly. Look, there's so grass and no pond right here. See? Yes. Like, why there should be a pond? It is pretty much a good thing, like a decoration or something. But I think there's some sort of reason why they added a pond here. So Ellie will kinda explain, or just like show you guys the secret in the position it'll be in. So now she will flip it over. And yes, the secret is upside down. See AHD here, Dogman, low PD, PD. And so far you guys think this is like normal. This is Smiley. If you guys see something closer, here I'll be out closer. Look at PD. Oh my god. His reflection is like different from this one. So PD himself, where they're walking, does not look like this. His reflection does not look like that. And I have no idea why this is, like I mentioned earlier, like I don't know why it is there, but probably it might have something secret later on in future books. Although I'm just saying it might have. Well, anyways, now we're at the end of this, and that's the secret. So guys, goodbye. I'll see you guys in the next video.